Did you know that one sick child brought down a 300-year empire? In 1904, Tsarevich Alexei was born with hemophilia. This meant his blood couldn't clot. A simple bump could cause internal bleeding that would kill him. His parents, Tsar Nicholas II and Empress Alexandra, watched their son suffer in agony. Doctors were helpless. Then came Rasputin, a wild Siberian peasant who claimed he could heal the boy. Somehow Rasputin could stop Alexei's bleeding episodes, maybe through hypnosis, maybe by calming the child's stress. Nobody knew how, but it worked. This gave Rasputin incredible power over the royal family. He influenced who got military jobs during World War I. His terrible choices led to crushing defeats. Russian nobles were scandalized that a dirty peasant controlled their empire. Rumors spread that Rasputin was sleeping with the empress. The monarchy's reputation was destroyed. People lost faith in their czar. This anger helped fuel the Russian Revolution. The Romanov dynasty fell. Millions died in the chaos that followed, all because one little boy couldn't stop bleeding.